So how do they spread to every corner of the earth? They were actually exported from India by the Indus Valley or the Harappan civilization.
Wow.
So chicken, we found remains of chicken in Indus Valley sites. We've also found tandoors. So, maybe tandoori chicken is that older thing. But it has been recorded that these chicken were taken out in boats by the Indus Valley people to Babylon, where they used to trade. And the Babylonians have talked about the bird from Meluha. Meluha, as you know, is what they called Indians, the ancient Babylonians. And since roosters and all are very beautiful looking things, we even have some records of an Egyptian pharaoh, I think it was Thutmose III, who conquered a part of the Middle East. And when he came back, as part of his parade of the beautiful things he had looted or got back from those regions, were these roosters. And that has been recorded. And then from Egypt, it went on to Europe. And that's how we have the spread of the chicken. And it also went up the Silk Route to China. And they've actually discovered, Lothal is an ancient port city which is near Ahmedabad today. And near the port, they've discovered a building with a lot of chicken bones. So besides exporting live chicken, maybe they were exporting chicken achar, we don't know. So this is the story of chicken in India. I think the world has a lot to thank India for in this.